Skytech Nebula gaming PC desktop features an AMD Ryzen 5 5600 processor that runs at 3.5 GHz, with the ability to turbo boost up to 4.4 GHz. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This desktop is equipped with a powerful NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card with 6 GB of DDR4 memory, making it suitable for multimedia, personal use, and gaming. With a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, the Skytech Nebula offers lightning-fast storage that is up to 30 times quicker than traditional hard drives. This ensures faster boot times and quick game load speeds. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, this system can handle demanding applications and multitasking with ease, giving users smooth performance across various activities. The Skytech Nebula is built to keep cool under pressure thanks to its high-performance air cooler that maximizes airflow combined with ARGB fans that not only enhance the cooling process but also provide a sleek aesthetic. The system comes with Windows 11 Home, offering a modern and intuitive operating environment right out of the box. In terms of connectivity, it supports 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for a stable and fast wireless connection. The PC is equipped with various ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and multiple USB ports for a wide range of peripherals. HD audio and microphone support ensures crystal clear sound quality for communication during gaming or streaming. Additionally, the Skytech Nebula gaming PC comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, making it an ideal option for those looking to upgrade their setup without needing to purchase extra accessories. The case features the Skytech Nebula Black Edition with a front mesh design that allows for efficient airflow and a sleek look. Skytech offers a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and the system comes with lifetime free technical support, providing peace of mind for users. Assembled in the USA, this gaming PC is designed to deliver top-notch performance and reliability. For anyone interested in high-performance computing, whether it's gaming, multimedia, or personal use, the Skytech Nebula provides everything you need in a single, powerful package. The system can handle games like Fortnite, GTA 6, Valorant, Apex Legends, and many others at ultra settings with smooth 1080p gameplay.